Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within a document by typing in a keyword on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone. Click on the browse icon down below in the left side corner of the screen and then select the document in which you would like to search. So tap on it and click on this search button at the top of the screen. After that you should type in a keyword. Here you can find all of the matches and tap on the relevant one to check out where you can find it. As you can see, the word that you have been looking for is highlighted with yellow, so you can easily find the relevant passages or parts that you are looking for by typing in a keyword only. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.